Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm just remodeling my workshop and I thought I'd do a quick review on these DampRid moisture absorbing buckets. There's not really much to say about them. It's pretty simple. You know, they're a fire and forget kind of solution. They're supposed to last about, let's say, 6 months. You know, they work for good for small areas like RVs, cars, boats, a small workshop. And I like them. I mean, you just pop the lid off, get it off, and you're good to go. Just like that. 6 months they say, but this one right here has actually been in here for almost a year. I just bought this one to replace it. And let's see right here, it's, yep, not even up to the full level. Right about there is discard, and we still got a bit to go. So, you know, I'll put this new one out here when my workshop's done and throw this one out in the garage to finish it off. Because larger areas, you definitely want to try something else. I mean, I got a regular dehumidifier out there, but in here, I got lots of bare metal, like these cast iron cylinder heads, and you know, when I want to do some porting and grinding on them, I don't want them all rusting up after I do all that work. They work good. I mean, they're about 10 bucks. I got these at Meijer's. I think you can get them at, I see them at Walmart as well and Home Depot as well. So, you know, not bad. Fire and forget, like I said. I mean, I got a couple in the garage. Let's go take a look at those real quick. If I can get my keys. And we'll see how those ones are doing. I mean, 10 bucks. You can't beat that. Low maintenance. Yeah, I said that about 3 times now. And let's see these ones out here. Half my workshop's out here because I'm remodeling it. Wood and metal, not a clean room. And here we go. Also not full, and been out here for less than the other one, maybe 8 months. Got another one over there. Also not full. And that's it. Like I said, not much to say about them. They work. If you're into car stuff, check out the rest of my channel. I got a few LED light reviews, a couple tool reviews. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Peace out.